1973 Marshall 20 lead and bass amp. Going through this is 98 Squire Telecaster. So on the front pickup, going in the lead channel, got tone 6, volume 7, sounds something like this. Right, so let's plug that into the bass channel. Let's take it up to about 6 on tone, about 7 on volume. We're on the fronts on the guitar. Nice clean. If we take it to the back pickup on the telly, feedback with this, you can control it, you can really have that sustain. It's just coming in now. Let's put it back in the lead channel. Let's take it up. Neighbours are going to love me. Do about 8 and 6. 6 on the tone, 8 on the volume. Just going to smash a few chords. That's how much my neighbours will allow me. Hope you like it.